Next is the thickness of the gusset plate is computed by equating the moment in the critical section and equation to the moment of resistance of gusset. So gusset plate whatever is there, uh, gusset plate's minimum thickness is 16 mm. This is minimum. The gusset plate thickness, how to determine it? So this is a given formula, that is by equating the moment of the resistance of the gusset. Okay, gusset plate. So the formula is given: thickness of gusset base, uh, T equals C square root of 2.7 W by Fy, where C is equal to cantilever projection of the base plate, Fy is equal to yield stress uh, of the steel. So now we'll talk about the grillage foundation. We have already seen the slab based foundation, we have seen the gusset based foundation, we will see grillage foundation. So why we are using this? So this we are using where the heavy loading is applied, or where the soil is very poor with the SBC very low value. Okay, so used in case of heavy loading, for example, for building where the base plate required in such case may be very large dimensions and it may not be possible. So for example, where the tall building is used, the base plate required is very large dimensions. So large dimension base plate is not economical, so the grillage foundation is used in such case. If the bearing capacity of the soil on which the concrete block is provided is very low, so the bearing capacity of the soil is very low, so there what we are doing is it result in large dimension of concrete pedestal. So both cases what we say grillage foundation is required. The column is such case placed over the base plate, which in turn is support over two or more tiers of beams and hole used in the cases of concrete. So column is exactly on the base plate. So base plates below concrete pedestal is kept. So in the tiers of beams. So we'll show the picture now. Yeah, this is the grillage foundation. These are the tiers of beams. So tiers of beams and steps. So this is the column. This is base plate. Base plates below. It is uh, yeah. Soon after the base plate, in other cases directly there would be concrete. But here you can see the beams, the tiers of beams. Here in this case between the slab base and the concrete beam ties is seen. So the one after the other there are continuously beams. So there are yeah, steps can be tied. So in this concrete yeah. So once we kept like this and like this, so therefore the strength of the release foundation increases. Yeah, you can see here this is the first step, this is second step, and then it will transfer to this third stage, then last it will be resting on the concrete. So this is called as grillage foundation. And this is the one more picture of the grillage foundation. This is column, this is the tires of beams tires. Okay, and one more thing you have to keep in mind, the beam uh, unpainted kept it is, because when the paint is applied, so whenever the concrete is applied, the bonding will be good if there is no painted, so the unpainted it is kept. So this is grillage foundation. Thank you.